Hello, sweeties. Welcome back. We're back at it again with another hair review. I will be reviewing Miss Cara hair. In the box, you get a headband, the wig itself, which is a 26-inch deep wave, this is a 13 by 4 unit, so you get 3 combs in the top, 1 comb in the back, and the adjustable straps.
There's something about you. Beautiful. I just want you to know you're my favorite girl. Beautiful. I just want you to know you're my favorite girl. I know you gon' lose it. This new Snoop. Come on, baby, boo, you got to get into it. Going forward to play with the cool whip. Yeah, you know I'm always on that cool. Walk to it, do it how you do it. Have a glass, let me put you in the mood. Look cute, looking like a student. Long hair with your big fat booty. Back in the days, you was a girl I went to school with. Had to tell your mom and sister to cool it. The girl wanna do it, I just might do it. Had to walk with some pimp fluid. Mommy, don't worry, I won't abuse it. Hurry up and finish so you can watch Clueless. I laugh at these when they ask who do this, but everybody know who girl that you is. Beautiful, I just want you to know. Smack her, then tries to pursue it. Homeboy, she taking, just move it. I asked you nicely, don't make the dog lose it. We just blow throw and keep the flow moving. In a 6'4", me and baby boo cruising. Body wagging, tip we get fluid. Had him hydraulics squeaking on me screwing. Now she yelling, hollering out, snooping, hooting, hollering, hooting. Black and beautiful, you the one I'm choosing. Hair thinking black and curly like a Cuban. Keep moving, that's what we doing, and we gon' be together until your mom's moving. Oh yeah, there's something about you. Beautiful. I just want you to know you're my favorite girl. Beautiful. I just want you to know you're my favorite girl. Beautiful. I just want you to know you're my favorite girl. I just want you to know that you're really special. I just want you to know that you're really special. Oh yeah, there's something about you. Snoop Dogg clothing, that's what I'm grooming. You got my pictures on the wall in your room. Girls be complaining, you keep me booming. But girls like that wanna listen to Pat Boone. You's a college girl, but that don't stop you from doing. Come and see the dog in the hood near you. You don't ask why I roll with a crew in. Twist up my fingers and wear dark blue in. On the east side, that's the crew I choose. Nothing I do is new to you. I smack up the world if they roll to you. Cause baby girl, you're so beautiful. Beautiful. I just want you to know you're my favorite girl. Beautiful. I just want you to know you're my favorite girl.
one hand on the jelly, at the telly on the celly. Get that money, Ellie, please believe it. If the mind can conceive it, then the man can achieve it. You gotta breathe it, and I breathe deep. I'm one with the universe. Minimum 10%, go to God first. Lay back, baby, close your eyes. Ice on the pinky finger, froze your thighs. So much shade, baby, the waterbed fries. Walk around nude in the sweet yellow, recognize. Do your dance, baby, pour me a glass. It feels so good to have the world in the smash. Touch it, why don't ya? 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 Hey, girl. Oh girl, hey girl, I wanna rock the world.
Okay, y'all. Okay, y'all. This hair is giving me everything. I have no complaints about this. I mean, they're giving you so much hair. It's soft, it's lightweight. It's a 13x4, 26-inch deep wave. And it's true to length. Let me stand up and show you guys really quickly. So this is where it's hanging on me. Very much so 26 inches in the wet and the dry state. It's just so full. I brushed it out with my brush, and because, you know, I have been tweezing it and I wanted all that hair out. And I saw it and I was like, oh, I'm leaving it like this. She's not going to get wet today. But she looks gorgeous that way as well. I did wash, condition, and bleach the knots on this hair. I think it came out very well. The only thing that I would say that's a con, it's not really, it's nothing serious. The lace did have a grayish tint to it. But I just took my foundation brush that I do my ball cap with. I didn't put any more product in it, and I just took it around, wiggled it in really good. You could also bypass that by putting foundation on the inside of your lace. Somehow I skipped that step. I'm sorry about that, but as you can see, that worked just the same, and I have no complaints. I mean, it's giving you scalp, baby. I love it. I'm gonna part it really quick so y'all can see what that's giving. 13x4 is fitting so well. So you're getting from here to the forehead. But on the sides, it's one of those that's giving you the bulk of it in the middle, and then it kind of tapers off around the side. So on the sides, you're getting more like an inch. But girl, do we really care? I mean, all this hair that they're giving you. Hey, but yes, I don't have any bad things to say. The cap, like I was saying, it fits so well. It fits ear to ear very well. Very roomy, very big head friendly. The cap has a stretch to it, and the lace even has a stretch to it. So big head friendly. I mean, it's just beautiful. I really love it. Very just wildcat. Yes. I just really think this is beautiful. Even in the wet state. But in the full state, this is giving. Even in the full state, this is giving. I'm very happy with this. And you cannot end summer, you guys, without getting one of these units. A lot of times we run from going anywhere else because we're already shopping on Amazon. Amazon hair is affordable, and they always have their hand on our purse. So we're just always stuck in that place. But if you ever can escape and go over to Aliexpress, they have a lot of great units, guys. A lot of bang for your buck units. You're getting usually a good 13x4, and like you're getting all this hair for a really affordable price if you're willing to wait those few days, 3 to 5 days. Just let it breathe, let it take some time to get to you, because when you get it, you're gonna absolutely love it. This is actually my first Aliexpress unit. Usually I put something in the cart and then I'm like, but I just want it tomorrow. And then now I'm back over at Amazon wasting more money. So I just really think that you guys should go cop one of these. Do not let summer pass you by. without getting this hair. And really, even hair like this is great and it's so beautiful in the fall too. So purchase it. You can finish off summer with it, and then you can get really cozy and sexy and put it on in the fall when it's starting to get a little breezy outside. Oh, I can see it now. So you guys, thank you so much for watching. I want to thank MissCaraHair again for sending me this beautiful unit. And do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Hit the bell so you know when I'm putting up more affordable hair content. And until next time, stay sweet.
It's like the summer's a natural aphrodisiac, and with a pen and pad I compose this rhyme to hit you and get you equipped for the summertime.